Hello, I'm Steve Brown with Huber Engineered Woods. We're a manufacturer of OSB and magnesium oxide products. Today we're going to be talking about our magnesium oxide panel that is WUI resistant. It is primarily made of magnesium oxide in 5 layers of fiberglass mesh, gives stability and rigidity. It is a Class A product that can be used in numerous applications, including floor assemblies for 1-hour rating, as well as STC and IIC ratings. And then can also be used as a fire-rated sheathing and placement of fire-rated plywood or other fire-resistant sheathing products on the market. It can be attached to your studs, and then your stucco or siding can be attached to this product as well. We have numerous technical tips on how to install different types of cladding. We've been a supplier of this product for the last 5 years and have partnered with Hayward Lumber and Boise Cascade to distribute this product throughout the West Coast. We are a low VOC product. It can be cut with traditional tooling products like skill saw. It can also be scored and snapped. The product comes in 4x8 sheets in a 1/2 inch thickness, and that will by itself meet the 1-hour requirement for sheathing and your floor assemblies. The ASTM E84 test is a 20-minute tunnel test. The product actually tests for 0 flame spread and 0 smoke developed. So as it relates to fire rating, it is Class A. It does not burn and it will not catch fire. So in the underlayment application, the price is very similar to a gypcrete or a lightweight concrete. It replaces the need for that trade altogether and can actually value engineer out some different parts of the floor assembly. And an exterior sheathing product, very similar to price as traditional fire-rated plywood. The framer would install this product, and all you need is subfloor adhesive and ring shank nails. Warranty depends on a couple different things. One, what type of subfloor you use. If you use a Huber branded product like an Advantech, the warranty is extended. We also do extended warranties in multifamily applications if you do things like pre-construction meetings, observation reports, and registering the product. This product does reduce sound. It actually, depending on the floor assembly, will meet your 50 STC rating and your 50 IIC rating without a sound mat or gypcrete. It can be installed directly over your subfloor and will meet those requirements depending on your floor assembly.